Hiya, darlings! This is holoLiveEnglish Advent's Devilish Diva, and today I'm here hosting a cooking show in my very own kitchen. Delicious, devilish dishes. But today is also about me. As you can see, it's my 3D debut. How do I look? How is it? Am I beautiful? Am I kawaii? Am I mecha sexy? You could look me up and down, I suppose. Starting with my lovely shoes, going all the way up to my skirt, and you might realize something's missing. Since we're cooking today, I've decided to remove my jacket. So say goodbye to my wings. But without further ado, I suppose we ought to get cooking, right? Get right on to things. So first, I suppose I have two lovely guests I'd like you to meet if they'd like to come on out.
Congratulations, 3D debut! Yay! Okay, 待ったかねー。
待ったよー。
待ったかねー。hololive JP holoX 鷹嶺ルイだよー。And then
Hi everybody, kikiriki! I am Takanashi Kiara from hololiveEnglish Myth, and you notice something?
We are
Birds!
birds.
Birds!
Holotori and holotori intern. So Ine is going to be making us something called Nikujaga.
Okay, Nikujaga, Japanese traditional
I love
food.
Nikujaga.
It's my first time, so I'm very excited. Shall we get started?
Yeah,
任せてください。
Let's go!
Let's go! Alright, let's start make Nikujaga.危ない。What we will need Nikujaga is here.
The ingredients.
Vegetable cutting.
はい。
Okay, じゃがいも切ります。And
that was
put
fast.
them in the pan. Yes. Yes. And fry.
Right, yes, sir.
Oh,
It's already in there. Ooh.
Cook the meat, then add the vegetables and put them down. It looks so good.
Smell it. Oh, complete.
Complete.
Yes.
It's finished.
Okay. My Nikujaga, Louise Nikujaga.
As you can see, it smells great, niioi, and it looks good too. As you guys can see, this is the real
It's
Nikujaga.
real.
But I'm hungry.
Okay.
Kiara-san.
Me too, me too.
Nuine is probably hungry. Shall we try?
Yeah.
召し上がれ。
いただきます。First, I go for carrot. Oh, guys, after very good.
Oishi desu.
Eat like
Can I eat?
together is
Yeah.
very good.
We have no rice now, but
Yeah, today is
even
no rice.
without rice is also okay.
美味しい
It's like
impression.
it makes me think it's a very homey flavor. Like it feels like this is something I would eat as a kid and want to eat, like want to come home and eat, you know, after like a long day.
美味しい
Very good.
Good.
大丈夫?
美味しい柔らかい
Please listen.
Yeah.
Omai.
ルイさん。ルイ先輩じゃなくて。
ルイさん
Can you make every day for me?
Every day?
Yeah.
But easy to cooking.
Yeah, she taught you, so now you
Yeah.
can make it yourself.
Okay.
Yes, but
It's so good.
I'm like really hungry. I
but
feel
if
like
you want,
I want to eat it
I
all.
will cook
Yeah.
for you. Yes.
okay.
美味しい
Nikujaga every day.
But I want to eat like fried
Chicken
something.
or Phoenix.
Yeah, right? I want to
And
eat.
we do happen to have the queen of fried
But I have
chicken
to
with us
work.
today. You have to make your signature dish for us.
I want to eat, please.
Let's go, shall we? Let's